Toyota Kirloskar Motors is looking to start the year 2021 with a bang. The company will be launching the much-awaited Fortuner facelift model on January 6, 2021. The new Fortuner will replace the outgoing model which was last updated in 2016. Toyota will most likely introduce the Legender variant of the 2021 Fortuner. The special edition variant of the SUV will feature a host of cosmetic changes over the standard model. This includes several blacked-out trims and more. Speaking about the Fortuner facelift model, it will be similar to the international spec model already unveiled in various markets. The updated SUV features a host of interior and exterior updates. This includes a restyled front bumper, sleek-looking headlamps with integrated LED DRLs, a redesigned blacked-out grille and the central air intake, and a new fork skid plate, among others. Other exterior updates include new LED tail lights, a boot lid, new rear bumper design, and 18-inch alloy wheels as well. Moving to the interiors, the SUV features minor improvements, starting with a new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that now supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Other feature additions include an updated instrument cluster, an 8-way adjustable front seats, a 9-speaker JBL audio system, and more. Apart from the updated features list, the rest of the equipment will be carried over from the outgoing model. This includes safety features such as multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, ISO fix, child seat anchorage, and more. In international markets, the Fortuner has been updated with a powerful version of the 2.8-litre diesel engine that produces more than 204 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. In comparison, the same engine in the India spec SUV produces 175 brake horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or an automatic gearbox. In addition to the diesel powertrain, it will also be offered with the 2.7-litre petrol engine from the outgoing model. The petrol unit produces a maximum of 165 brake horsepower and a peak torque of 245 Nm. It comes mated to a 5-speed manual or an optional 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2021 Fortuner features a host of updates over the outgoing model. As a result, the facelifted SUV is expected to receive a slight increase in its pricing when launched in the country. The outgoing Fortuner retails between 28.66 lakh and 34.43 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.